News Services Division of All India Radio presents Employment News.
Welcome to the program Employment News. I am Rupinder Kaur Chawla giving you a quick update about some of the job vacancies where you can apply. Today we will be discussing about vacancies in Directorate General of Armed Forces Medical Services, Commission for Agricultural Costs and Prices, Institute of Hotel Management, Catering Technology and Applied Nutrition, Hajipur, Krishnapatnam Chief Financial Railway Company Limited, Indian Council of Agricultural Research and Centre for Cultural Resources and Training. Applications are invited from eligible Indian citizens for recruitment to Group C civilian posts at the various units or depot of Directorate General of Armed Forces Medical Services, Ministry of Defence, Government of India. Following are the vacancies at Armed Forces Medical College, Pune. 4 posts of multitasking staff, Safaiwala, 2 posts of barber, 1 post of cinema projectionist, grade 2, 1 post of stenographer, grade 2, 1 post of washerman, 7 posts of tradesman mate, 10 posts of multitasking staff, watchman or chowkidar, and 1 post of multitasking staff, gardener or mali. Following are the vacancies at Armed Forces Medical Store Depot, Akurli Cross Road, number 3, Kandivali East, Mumbai. 7 posts of storekeeper, 1 post of canteen bearer, 1 post of multitasking staff, Safaiwala, and 11 posts of tradesman mate. Following are the vacancies at Armed Forces Medical Store Depot, Dr. Koyaji Road, Pune. 1 post of highly skilled X-ray electrician, 2 posts of fireman, 1 post of cook, 7 posts of multitasking staff, watchman or chowkidar, 1 post of multitasking staff, Safaiwala, and 8 posts of tradesman mate. Following are the vacancies at Armed Forces Medical Store Depot, Delhi Cantonment, 3 posts of lower division clerk, 5 posts of tradesman mate, 7 posts of storekeeper, and 1 post of fireman. Following are the vacancies at Armed Forces Transfusion Center, Delhi Cantonment, 1 post of washerman, 1 post of tradesman mate, and 1 post of multitasking staff, gardener or mali. Following are the vacancies at Artificial Limb Center, Pune, 1 post of multitasking staff, messenger, and 1 post of multitasking staff, gardener or mali. And lastly, 1 post of fireman at Armed Forces Medical Store Depot, GGS Mark, Lucknow. The number of vacancies are tentative and may increase or decrease at the time of final selection. Selection will be made on the basis of competitive examination, which will consist of written examination and typing test or shorthand test or trade test applicable to the post and will be of qualifying nature. Issue of admit card or calling for typing test or shorthand test or trade test do not in any manner confer any right to the offer of appointment. Application received after due date will not be considered and unit or depot will not be responsible for any kind of postal delay. The Center for Examination for Written Test, Skill or Trade or Physical Test will ordinarily be the place where application is submitted and the same will be intimated to the candidate in due course. Selected candidate will be subjected to All India Service Liability. There will be simultaneous conduct of test for all categories of posts. The responsibility of deciding the category of post for which the candidate would like to appear will be the choice of candidate himself. The duly filled in application in the given format and admit card along with the required documents should reach the concerned unit or depot on or before the last date of receipt of application. The format of admit card and application form can be downloaded from official website of Indian Army, www.indianarmy.nic.in under DGA FMS webpage in news column. Candidates will fill in the application form and admit card in his or her own handwriting and send it to the concerned unit where they wish to apply for the concerned post by registered or ordinary post only. Filled in admit card by the applicant will be scrutinized by the concerned unit and will be sent back to the candidate at the given address. Last date for receipt of application form in the concerned unit or depot is 30th day from the date of publication of this advertisement in Employment News, that is 9th of August 2021. One post of Administrative Officer in Commission for Agricultural Costs and Prices, CACP, an attached office under Administrative Control of Department of Agriculture, Cooperation and Farmers Welfare, Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, is required to be filled by composite method, that is, deputation, including short-term contract plus promotion basis for a period of 3 years. Applications of willing, suitable and eligible officers and those who could be spared in the event of the selection may kindly be forwarded to Shri Alok Nigam, Joint Director, Economic Administration Division, Department of Agriculture, Cooperation and Farmers Welfare, Room number 4E, Krishi Bhavan, New Delhi, 110001 within 60 days from the date of publication of this advertisement in the Employment News or Rozgar Samachar. The application pro forma along with details may be downloaded from the department's website at www.agricoop.nic.in. Next is a notice by Institute of Hotel Management, Catering Technology and Applied Nutrition, Hajipur, with reference to advertisement dated 3rd to 9th of July 2021 on page number 13 by Institute of Hotel Management, Catering Technology and Applied Nutrition, Hajipur. It is hereby informed that the advertisement stands cancelled. Readers are requested not to act upon the advertisement published in the issue of 3rd to 9th July 2021 on page number 13. Krishnapatnam Chief Financial Railway Company Limited, KRCL, invites applications for one post of Chief Financial Officer on contract basis. Last date for receipt of applications is 31st of July 2021. For more details about the vacancy, including detailed vacancy notice, application procedure, prescribed format, and other terms and conditions, etc., please visit career page on website of the company www.krcl.org.in. Any amendment or corrigendum to the vacancy notice will be published only on the website of KRCL. Indian Council of Agricultural Research invites applications from eligible candidates through online mode for hiring of technical manpower, that is 7 positions of young professional 1, finance and accounts, and 7 positions of young professionals 2, finance and accounts on short-term and purely contract basis at Finance Division, ICAR headquarters. The applications received shall be screened and shortlisted candidates will be called to undergo a panel interview. If needed, a written examination may also be conducted for shortlisting of eligible candidates. The application form and detailed terms and conditions of engagement may be downloaded from the website www.icar.org.in. Last date of submission of applications is 30th of July 2021. Center for Cultural Resources and Training under the aegis of Ministry of Culture, Government of India invites applications in prescribed format to fill up one post of Deputy Director Production by composite method, that is deputation, including short-term contract plus promotion, failing which by direct recruitment, and one post of Copy Editor Hindi on deputation basis. For other details, please visit the website www.ccrtindia.gov.in. Those who have already applied against the earlier advertisement dated 26th December 2020 for the post of Deputy Director Production need not apply again, as their earlier applications will be considered. However, they can update the applications already submitted if they desire to do so. The posts carry the All India service liability. The last date for receipt of application is 30 days from the date of publication of advertisement in Employment News. Any addendum or corrigendum shall be posted only on the website. Information about these vacancies has been published in Employment News. There are more vacancies in the journal. If you wish to read about these employment opportunities in greater detail and more, you may refer to the job journal titled Employment News for information in English, Rozgar Samachar for information in Hindi, and Rozgar Samachar for information in Urdu. It is published by the Publications Division, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, and made available on every Saturday. With this, we come to the end of this program. We will meet again tomorrow at 4:20 p.m.
You were listening to Employment News. This program was produced and presented by the News Services Division of All India Radio. You can listen to it on a mobile app, News on AIR. This program is also available on our website, newsonair.com. You may email opinion about this program at airnsdtalks@gmail.com with employment news as subject.